Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Mark off the location of the factory mount to be a reference for the installation. Remove the bracket's body mount bolt and bushing, and begin cutting away the body mount. Followed by cleaning the frame of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 3. Begin welding the part to the frame along all edges. Finally, coat the part with a primer to help prevent against rust development. Reinstall your bushing and bolt, and you're done.